Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by picking the right architecture: on-device for privacy and offline use, or cloud API for stronger models and less battery drain. Once decided, get API keys or download model binaries, then install the mobile SDK and your Python or Node toolchain. Start with a minimal proof of concept: a simple Echo endpoint on your phone that sends a prompt and returns text. This early success proves connectivity and lets you iterate quickly while avoiding wasted work on UI before the core works. Now you expand functionality by defining intents and the conversational flow so the assistant understands user goals. This makes prompt design efficient and reduces costly API calls. Then add retrieval. Compute embeddings for local documents or user data and store them in a lightweight vector DB to ground answers. Once done, optimize for speed, use quantized models, cache frequent responses, batch requests, and enable streaming so users see partial replies quickly. Make sure to add rate limits and fallback responses. You finish by integrating speech-to-text and text-to-speech so users can interact hands-free, and run the assistant as a background service with proper battery and network checks. Deploy the app with secure key storage, token rotation, and least privilege permissions to protect user data. Once live, monitor performance and errors, collect anonymized logs, and update prompts or models as needed. If something breaks, first reproduce the issue. Check network/auth logs, then roll back or disable risky features. This single troubleshooting tip saves time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.